Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, in this video I'm going to show you an essay which has been written by IELTS examiner, and this essay is sample answer for 9 band. As you know, there are 4 criterias. Number 1, task response. Number 2, grammatical range and accuracy. Number 3, lexical resource or vocabulary. And number 4, coherence and cohesion. So you're going to check all 4 things, as this essay has been written by actual Cambridge IELTS examiner. Okay, I've taken this essay from one of the books, Cambridge IELTS. So I'm going to just demonstrate this essay to you. Let's go through the topic. You should spend about 40 minutes on this task. Write about the following topic. Some people say that it is better to work for a large company than a small one. Large company, multinational company, a company that has got many branches and all that. So some people say that it is better to work for a large company than a small one. Do you agree or disagree? Now, it's an opinion essay. Do you agree or disagree? If you agree, then it means it is better to work for a large company. If you disagree, then it means it's not better to work for a large company, it's better to work for a small company. So this is the essay type. Now you need to follow this pattern, and in actual exam also try to follow the same pattern whenever you write an opinion essay. And again, I'm telling you, this answer has been prepared by Cambridge IELTS examiner. So let's make a start. You can follow me. Job seekers, this is first paragraph introduction. Job seekers often question whether it is better to work for a large or a small company. Sentence number 1, paraphrasing the topic. Okay. Next, I would personally prefer to work. Opinion. Second sentence is what we call your thesis sentence. So this is a 2-sentence introduction. In the second sentence, the examiner has given opinion. I would personally prefer to work for a larger company, comma, but this is contraction. Now, people who say don't use contractions in your essay, this essay has been prepared by examiner, so that's okay. But I'd like to consider the advantages and disadvantages of both. So, what is opinion? Opinion is I would like to consider the advantages. I would prefer to work for a larger company, but I would like to consider advantages and disadvantages. Now, it sounds like it's an advantages, disadvantages essay, but it's not. It's an opinion essay. So, first body paragraph. In general, larger companies can support their employees more effectively. Argument number 1. Larger companies can support their employees more effectively because they have access to more resources. It's a compound sentence. These could include, now these resources could include higher salaries, end of year bonuses and other perks such as an excellent food service and even sports facilities. So you should copy these sentence structures, okay, in your actual essay as well. Larger companies may also contribute more to your professional development. Now this is second argument, professional development. First argument was like support to their employees, okay. Larger companies may also contribute more to your professional development, offering regular conferences and training courses. So this is first body paragraph. Now, the next body paragraph. The size of a large company is also an indication of their success. Second point, because the writer is of the view that working for a larger company is better, meaning that it can offer greater stability. There is also a better chance for promotion and career development in companies with many departments and a larger management structure. Now, you might notice one thing as far as vocabulary is concerned. They have used very simple words but very effectively. This is what we say efficient use of words. Most definitely, this essay has been written by IELTS examiner. So, examiners know better the criteria for 9 band. Of course, advancement may not come easily because it is hard to stand out when many employees are Okay, many employees are for the same role. Okay, when many employees are, okay, they've written this word vying, V-Y-I-N-G. Many employees are vying for the same role. Okay, now he has discussed about larger companies, so there's going to be a contrast. And what's the contrast? Contrast is small companies. So this paragraph is contrast paragraph. As you know, whenever we write opinion essay, we write one argument to support our opinion, second argument to support our opinion, and contrast. So in small companies, you may feel less like a number and that your efforts actually make a difference. Now he's talking about small companies. You will also need to wear different hats, which helps you develop a skill set that might not be possible in a larger company. Different hats, idiomatic expression, like you have to work in different roles or you need to do multitasking. The downside is a higher chance of strained relationships because working in close proximity with the same small group of people every day can be challenging. See that? He's talked about one positive thing and one negative thing, right? Now, let's go on. Small companies can also be unstable if they lose a larger account or consumer tastes change. Your position could suddenly become precarious. So, this is the whole thing about the other side of the argument, but the writer is actually favoring that working in a large company is better. Now, we've got conclusion. Based on the above, what is above? Two arguments to support that working for a larger company is better and one contrast. Based on the above, I'd say, again contraction, I would say that the kind of company you work for depends on personal preference, but your future career prospects may be better in a large company. See that? Opinion was large company is better, and you can see this is one sentence conclusion. Okay, so if you follow this structure, band 9 is yours, and you might be surprised to see that, oh gosh, this is so simple, and we write so much complicated essays and they give us 5.5 or 6.5 and all that, okay? Now, we've got comments from another examiner. This response covers both aspects of the task, including the pros and cons of each type of workplace, with some useful detail and good supporting ideas. Ideas are logically organized and cohesion is very well managed throughout. Good. There are a range of linkers, of course, based on the above and other cohesive devices such as both, your, their, which means it is easy to read. Paragraphing is generally good with the introduction and conclusion sitting separately. However, the second and the third paragraphs would be better combined as they both address large companies. So, could be combined as well. Vocabulary is strong and there are some natural and sophisticated example. Vying, V-Y-I-N-G, vying for, wear different hats, strained relationships. See that? This is good vocabulary. Grammar is flexible and accurate with a range of structures including modals, can, may, could. So what we understand from here, we must use modal verbs in our IELTS writing because examiners, they value this thing. Can, may, could, and conditionals if as part of complex multi-clause sentences. Errors are rare. Multi-clause sentences. It's another thing. You need to pick up some multi-clause sentences where there are 2 to 3 clauses, 2 to 3 parts in a sentence, and try to use multi-clause sentences in your essay. This is a good example of a high-level response. Wow, said by examiner, said by IELTS examiner. So guys, you need to copy such type of structure, sentence structure, essay structure, vocabulary, and whenever you write agree, disagree essay, you need to follow this pattern. Most definitely it will bring you better bench score. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, and we offer IELTS test booking service, and we offer study plans before IELTS exam. If you wish to be the part of all these things, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. It's January night and I'm wearing this jacket to make this video for you. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.